Smart technology is taking a leading role in world development. TPIsoftware, as a digital practitioner, has always taken a role in the change created by smart technology. TPIsoftware was founded in 2005 with our focus on enterprise-class digital technologies. We are proficient in a wide variety of software engineering and development technologies. With the rich experience we've accumulated over the years in system implementation, we provide corporate customers with technological application solutions to meet their needs. Trust, perfection, and innovation are the core values that TPIsoftware has always adhered to. Faced with rapid changes in the market, we continue to relentlessly pursue perfection and provide businesses in all fields with innovative services. We help our customers promptly respond to market demand and continuously expand their scope of services. We customize software solutions for corporate customers in sectors such as finance, insurance, telecommunications, technology, transportation, healthcare, government, and more. TPIsoftware has two main product lines, SysTalk.ai and DigiFusion, as well as 8 major technological solutions. The results we've achieved over the years are remarkable. We have become our corporate customers' most trusted partner. Members of TPIsoftware, our thinkers, at home and abroad, are all proud of our philosophy of serving customers, demonstrating professionalism, and sharing happiness. By upholding a rigorous attitude and taking proactive responsibility for what we undertake, we are committed to providing customers with excellent service. At the same time, we keep improving our expertise and soft power. We hold regular professional forums to share the latest technologies and experiences. We also implement periodic advanced training programs to provide software project skill training opportunities. We help make our talented personnel the elites of the industry. TPIsoftware has accumulated rich practical experience, and we can integrate rapidly implemented one-stop software products and solutions to help every industry stay on top of digital transformation trends. In recent years, our business has gradually expanded into overseas markets. We currently have branches in Vietnam and Singapore, and are actively planning for development in overseas markets. Taking Taiwan's soft power in technology to the world stage, being seen by the world.